What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to follow the smart money using Edgeflow. You're about to see exactly how institutional order flow works and why these triangles are your best friend for catching major moves. These aren't random signals, they're telling you when big money is placing massive buy and sell orders. Most retail traders have no clue this is even happening. Alright, here's what you're getting today. First, how Edgeflow reads institutional order flow in real time. Second, the simple strategy that lets you follow the money. Third, live chart examples showing exactly when to enter and exit. By the end of this, you'll know exactly when the big players are making their moves. Edgeflow measures big money flow hitting the market. When it detects institutional buy momentum over 0.4, you get an up triangle. When it detects institutional sell momentum under negative 0.4, you get a down triangle. Now here's the key. Up triangles mean massive buy orders just hit the market, but listen carefully. These could be hedge funds entering new long positions or closing out their short positions. Both scenarios create huge buy pressure. Same with down triangles. Massive sell orders just executed. This could be institutions opening new short positions or taking profits on their long positions. Either way, it's big money moving. So don't think of these as simple buy and sell signals. Think of them as big money just made a move alerts. The context matters. That's why we need trend score to tell us the direction. Here's what separates Edgeflow from every other indicator out there. It uses the same quantitative formulas that hedge funds and institutions use for their internal analysis. We're not talking about moving averages or RSI nonsense. These are legitimate quant models running in real time. The same math that billion-dollar funds use to track order flow, we've built into Edgeflow. That's why you get this level of precision and transparency that regular technical analysis just can't match. All right, here's where it gets interesting. Edgeflow works best when you layer it with trend score. This combo lets you follow the money with precision. When trend score shows bullish strength, we're in a buying environment. Use Edgeflow's up triangles to enter long positions. Up triangle hits, that's your entry signal. Big money just placed buy orders and you're riding with them. Then when you get a down triangle, that's your exit. Institutions are taking profits, so should you. Flip it when trend score shows bearish strength. Now you're shorting on down triangles and covering on up triangles. Down triangle in a bearish environment, short entry. Up triangle, cover your short. You're literally following institutional flow. Sometimes you'll see 2, 3, even 5 consecutive up triangles or down triangles. Don't freak out, this is totally normal. Multiple up triangles just means more institutional money keeps flowing in. Each one is another entry opportunity if you miss the first. You also see this in ranging markets. Multiple triangles give you multiple chances to get in and out. Perfect for manual traders who might miss the first signal. Here's a pro tip. If you want to squeeze out extra profit, you can wait for a second triangle before exiting. Higher risk, but sometimes higher reward. Check this out. Trend score showing bullish strength. So we're hunting for up triangles to go long. There's our first up triangle. Big money just hit the buy side. We're going long right here. Look at that price action after the triangle appears. We're riding with the institutions. Down triangle hits. Institutions are taking profits. Time to exit our long position. Clean entry, clean exit, following the smart money the entire time. Now let's flip it. Trend score shows bearish strength. So we're looking for down triangles to go short. Down triangle appears, institutional sell orders just hit. We are shorting with the big money. Price follows the money flow perfectly. Institutions sell, price drops. Up triangle signals the exit. Smart money is done selling for now. Time to cover our short. Look, most traders are guessing. They're using lagging indicators, drawing lines, hoping for the best. Edgeflow cuts through all that noise. You're seeing actual institutional order flow. When they buy, you buy. When they sell, you sell. Layer it with trend score for direction, and you've got a system that follows the money. That's how you stack the odds in your favor. Edgeflow shows you when big money is moving. Combine it with trend score for direction, and you're trading alongside institutions instead of against them. The triangles don't lie. They're showing you exactly when the smart money is making their moves. Use them wisely. Drop your questions below, and I'll catch you in the next one.